try not to.
Careful on the start because the four wheels take off a lot faster than the two wheels.
I'm surrounded by them.
Less than 5.
I'm gonna try and go with it. Oh, sorry. Come on! Come on, come on!
In the double, in the double. Low on the back straight, please. Low on the back straight. All clear.
John's tripling. Uh-oh.
Watch the double.
Five minutes left.
Go, go! If you're gonna
Watch
run
the
now.
triple, watch the triple. We got a leaner. Oh, excuse me. All
Come on,
clear.
come on, come on!
Orange. All right, so we got, hey, Ronaldo out front. Oh, watch
Right
the
there.
triple, watch the triple, watch the triple. All clear.
I'm sorry, that's crispy. Actually,
Okay,
I'm
so
trying
we got
to.
Ronaldo out front.
Crusty better.
Just stop.
It's John B.
Don't talk to me.
second. They're both in four wheel. And then we've got Tom Licata. He's leading the two-wheel drive battle with that RB 6.15.
4 minutes left.
I figured it out. Kyosho, RB, stands for really bad.
Oh!
All right, so it's John Benedict now taking over the lead, followed by Ronaldo. Every time I make a joke, there's a lead change. And
Don't
nobody
make any
tells me.
jokes.
Make another joke. Make another joke.
Keep making jokes when I'm in the lead.
All right, so we got John out front. He's coming down the back straightaway now. He's in that bright multi-color car. Trust me, it's bright. He comes up on you, you'll know. Ronaldo in the slightly understated but still vibrant. Throwing a big word there.
Sorry about the
He's
beginning.
in second.
Oh
He's
shit!
headed onto the back straightaway now.
Right there, right there! Come on.
Hey.
Sorry, I got a little excited.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry. I'm just sorry.
Crash left.
Go, Licata!
Gets
3
the
minutes
third.
left.
Oh, John with a bottle. We're at the halfway point. It's John and Ronaldo going into the backstretch. Oh, John gets loose on the straightaway. Ronaldo's taking over the lead, but here comes John right back on his bumper. Ronaldo
go, go.
John across the front oval. Ronaldo across the front oval. Oh, Ronaldo, he did so much better.
1 minute left.
His double, thing. All right,
Go,
so
go, go.
John. John's going across the rollers into the back straight. Here comes Ronaldo. He's going across the rollers into the back straight, bouncing off the wall.
What the hell are you doing?
So it's John, Ronaldo, Tim, Tom, Crispy, Joe, and Dan. 5 seconds on the master, 5 seconds in the race. All right, guys, finish them up. Finish the lap you're on.
Car 1 is done.
Tom, you're
Car 4 is
done.
done.
John, you're done. Taking down the win.
Nice run, John.
Oh, and you broke on that.
Car 5
You
is
broke on
done.
that.
Car 1 is done.